Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" Cool as a cucumber. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Have you ever seen a cucumber? It's a cool vegetable, right? But this idiom doesn't mean that someone is literally as cool as a cucumber. It means that someone is calm and composed, even in stressful situations. To remember the meaning of this idiom, think of a cucumber in a hot summer day. Despite the heat, a cucumber remains cool and refreshing. Similarly, a person who is cool as a cucumber remains calm and collected in stressful situations. Let me tell you a story about a student who was not cool as a cucumber. She was nervous about her English test and couldn't concentrate. But her friend reminded her to stay calm and take deep breaths. By the end of the test, she was cool as a cucumber and aced it. Fun fact number 1. This idiom originated in the 1700s and was first used in a poem. Fun fact number 2. Cucumbers are actually fruits, not vegetables. Fun fact number 3. In some cultures, cucumbers are believed to have a cooling effect on the body. Example sentence: despite the chaos around her, Jane remained cool as a cucumber. Jane stayed calm and composed despite the stressful situation. Rephrased sentence number 1. Despite the chaos around her, Jane remained calm and composed. Rephrased sentence number 2. Despite the chaos around her, Jane remained collected and composed. Real-life story. During a job interview, Tom was asked a difficult question. But he remained cool as a cucumber and answered it confidently. He got the job. Similar expressions: calm and collected, unflappable, poised. Opposite expressions: hot-headed, panicky, nervous. Related idioms: keep your cool, take it easy, keep calm and carry on. Quiz time. What does the idiom "cool as a cucumber" mean? Option 1. Someone who is literally as cool as a cucumber. Option 2. Someone who is calm and composed. Option 3. Someone who is hot-headed and nervous. Answer: option 2. The idiom means that someone is calm and composed, even in stressful situations. In summary, cool as a cucumber means that someone is calm and composed, even in stressful situations. Remember to stay cool as a cucumber in your daily life.